Hey, what's up, VC? It's Steve again, Harmless Rebel, and it's time to open a little bit more VCLT. I got a package today from Spektrum. That's our buddy Lee in Ontario, I believe he's in. And so let's just jump into it. I actually have no idea what he sent, so oh, here we go. Little notes. Happy New Year, best for 2015. Same to you, Lee, man. I really appreciate it. Let's see what we got here. First up, we got Headstones. Oh, cool. So this is a band called Headstones. And this is a band out of Ontario, so it says this is their first album and their best album, so definitely look forward to checking this out. Very cool. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, wow. Bag from Sonic Boom Records. Alright, man, you wrap this up nice and good. Let's see what we got. Very cool. Moxie 2. This is a second album from Moxie. They're a Canadian band from Toronto. Cool. I was just talking about this. I have their third album, which I really dig, and I've heard their first three. My favorite is definitely their third album, but this is very cool. Man, greatly appreciated. You know, what do we got here? Oh, very cool. And he talks about this band quite a bit, and I had never even heard of them. And so he turned me on to a video of theirs a while back, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and it sounded pretty cool. So here we go, more Canadian hard rock. This is Gatto. Let's see, this is from 1977. Straight ahead, dirty rock and roll. So I definitely look forward to checking this out. That's a killer cover too. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Volcano blowing its top there. So man, this is awesome. I really appreciate it, Lee. Again, got the Moxie, the Gatto, and definitely look forward to checking this one out too, because I've never even heard of this band, Headstones. So again, thanks, Lee. Greatly appreciated. And take care, PC.